Hey guys, how's it going? It's Richard Plunker here from the PapadumGeek, and today we're taking a look into a bit of a more nerdy side of things, and that's the Buzz Lightyear Room Guard, in particular the transparent green model that I have here. Now, I've come to my conclusion that this particular model is somewhat rare, at least to my knowledge, and like most Thinkway toys from this era, in particular Buzz Lightyear, the wings are prone to breaking, and unfortunately this one has broken, and hopefully I'll be able to fix it, by 3D printing it or something. Now, this is also when I find out that there's no batteries in here, so let's put in some batteries and see if this thing actually works. Now, I actually found this Buzz Lightyear on Facebook Marketplace, believe it or not, out of all places, where I was actually looking for a chrome Buzz Lightyear. It's not very common here in Australia. I know it's very common in the US and UK, which I've seen on eBay every now and then, and they go for a mint. Unfortunately, I had one as a kid, but it got lost and burnt in a house fire, so I'm hoping to get one later down the track. Maybe boxed if I can, would be amazing. But here is this, really interesting transparent green model, and lucky enough, the sounds actually work. So let's take a listen.
Stop, alien! You do not have clearance for this sector. I've crash-landed on a strange planet. Alien, I'll blast you with my laser. This is an intergalactic emergency. Buzz Lightyear to the rescue! Have you seen my spaceship? Let's go on an adventure in outer space. Time to blast off! To infinity and beyond! I'm Buzz Lightyear. I come in peace. You now have clearance to activate the intergalactic security system. Press my button again to activate my radar motion sensor. The intergalactic security system will be armed in 30 seconds. Please leave this sector. Security system is now activated. Stop, alien! You do not have clearance for this sector. Time to blast off! Alien, I'll blast you with my laser. This is an intergalactic emergency. Please leave this sector. Stop, alien! Something is wrong. Alien, I'm Buzz Lightyear. Please leave this sector. Welcome back. Security system is now deactivated. Let's go on an adventure in outer space.
Like most Thinkway toys from this time, Buzz Lightyear moved pretty much similar to all the other Buzz Lightyears out there. I mean, obviously, besides moving 360 this is the Room Guard, so for the motion sensor it was able to do that. But with all the joints and everything, and the hand movements were pretty much identical from what I can remember, and also can see online as well. There was nothing much difference. I think after Toy Story 2, that's when it started to change it up a bit. I found the knees a bit stiff, but that could just be because of its age, and not being moved. Underneath the stand, which can be removed if you want, you can see here Disney, Thinkway Toys, Thinking Toys, made in China, its batch number and pattern pending also, which I found quite interesting. Now, the chrome accents that you have around this particular Buzz Lightyear I thought was really interesting because from the video I found, it's completely green, which I thought was also really interesting. So I'm not too sure if this is just because for Australia you've got a chrome accents, or there's different particular models out there that you might find roaming in the world. But this is the Room Guard chrome / transparent green model. I hope this video has been helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, just drop a line down below.